Josh and Elias have been best friends for years. They're also very competitive, constantly trying to outdo each other.
What are you watching?
Oh, just...
Magic tricks? You know that stuff is all fake, right?
Fake?
Yeah, it's easy.
You know, you can't learn everything off online videos.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds like a challenge to me.
Yeah. Whoa.
All right, come up with 3 magic tricks by the end of today. Best one wins.
Yeah, well, we'll see about that.
The guys must perform a magic show that must include 3 different tricks. They cannot sabotage each other's show, and they have 1 day of tutorials to learn their tricks.
Tell me when to stop. Oh, you say stop right there? Okay. We'll carve this out. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do all right. Like, it's Elias. Like, there's really no competition, on his end. So it's gonna be fine. Like, I just see it going really well. I believe I'm gonna win. I have some really good sleeves up my tricks up my sleeves. Yeah, tricky right there. But yeah, I think I'm gonna win this one. I got it in the bag.
I think I'm going to do great. Josh keeps saying he's going to win, but honestly, I think it's more about taking the practice and time to do something you're passionate about and just to have fun with it. So I don't know if I'll win, but let's see how it goes.
Big old crowd here. We sold out. Yeah, gonna be performing some tricks here. So let's see what's up my sleeves.
Hey. Hey, what's up? Oh, cool. I did not expect that. How's everyone doing? How are your lives been? Okay, cool.
It is a regular paperclip, authentic, steel, German made. But what we're gonna do here is just open it up. So it's regular paperclip. We are opening that paperclip up here, and I am going to be bending the paperclip with my mind freak stuff. Oh. That's nuts.
Let me just look through. There we go. There we go. It's loading. Oh, well, that's okay, because it's not actually a stick. It's a paintbrush. What's that? Oh shit. There you go. Well, there you go.
I'm gonna need a volunteer. Anybody want to step on up right this way? And we're gonna be doing a little card trick here. So what I have here is a basic pack of cards, and I'm going to be shuffling it first. textbook shuffling execution over here too. All right. Now what I'm going to be doing here is pulling them out, and I want to tell you, when I tell you to stop, then I'll take it out and then memorize the card, and then I'll know what it is, okay?
Stop. Okay.
Okay, and is it a 4?
No.
Shit, it was a 5. And is it a 5?
Yeah.
Quarter? Bottle? Okay. Let's do this. Let's see. Just, okay, there you go. There you go.
All right, so what I need you to do is hold the pencil firmly at the edges, just like that, yeah, and I'll be using a regular card to cut it right in half. That's it.
Josh and Elias! Josh and Elias! Josh and Elias! Josh and Elias!
All right, well, I want to thank you very much for everybody coming out. I appreciate it. Now, after that, I want to see who voted on my side. So if you do, put your hand up. Okay.
And who votes for me? Okay. Oh, well, that's one supporter right there. Anyways, well, high five to you two. You guys
There's
are
not even a
awesome.
point with me competing with you at this point in life. Like, we all know, it's just not going to end well for
I
you.
don't know. I don't know what to say.
Of course you
I
don't.
don't know what to say.
You also don't know how to do a magic trick.
You don't know how to spit.
Yeah?
Yeah. Spit.
Meet me in the back hallway then.
Okay.
Yeah, come here.
Well, anyways, just follow me on Facebook. Okay.
Trying to drop your mixtape down there?
Yeah.
Every chance. Follow me on SoundCloud. SoundCloud rapper. Do you remember what you said you're going to do when you lost?
Josh, done your 7 Samurai report, 20 pages.
Did you just say 20 pages? It's only supposed to be 2.